This is my favorite show. Here, have this, I made it myself. Habron has eaten all the stuff and is now sleeping. Also, the garbage bin is full and I don't know where to dispose of the waste food.
Calm down, Max. Don't you know about Ingenieur Victus?
What is that?
It's the best way to dispose of your food waste. Come, I will tell you how to use it. It's very easy and convenient. Moreover, you get rewards for disposing of your food waste.
Tell me, what do I need to do?
I have the Ingenieur Victus app downloaded in my smartphone. Let's have a look. This is the home page. Now, I will click on Login. As you can see, the login screen appears. If you don't have an account, you can register for free. As I clicked the register button, the sign up page appears. Now, you can enter your details quickly. After you have entered the details, click register. The next page is your welcome page. It tells your credits balance and has links to your account page. Also, you can buy coupons. Click on Pick My Food and Ingenieur Victus will come and collect your food. As you click Pick My Food, you will be asked to fill in your details. Fill in the details and click on Send Request. A confirmation is asked. After you send your request, you can also browse your My Accounts page. Go to the Buy Coupons page and select coupons that you want, and get discounts on your favorite products. As I have picked them for food, they would arrive and collect the food waste.
It's open, come in.
Hello, sir. I am from Ingenieur Victus. We have received a ping to collect food waste from you.
Here is the waste, take it.
The waste is approx 2 kilograms, so you get 2 credits. Okay, sir. I have approved 2 credits on your account.
Thanks a lot for your service.
No, ma'am, it's our pleasure to serve you. Please pay us again.
Hey Max, now you can go shopping.
Hey Tanya, this Ingenieur Victus thing is fabulous. Thank you so much.
The waste collector person puts the collected waste into feeder bags.
This waste will then be handled by the biogas plant operator person. Thanks for watching.